are Sigmund. Sigmund is a leading manufacturer of welding tables and clamping systems. Known for innovation, precision, and quality, the company serves industries worldwide with durable and efficient solutions, like lifting platforms, workbenches, welding cells, and a lot more. We are needed in every factory or workshop. But why Sigmund? Because we are indestructible. Okay, I got it. Sigmund is the basis for every welding process. But let's take a look. Where is Sigmund located and where are these products produced? Our two locations, once in Lublin and the other one in Skawina, in Poland, are the beginning of our production tour. Here you will find enormous 5-axis gantry milling machines, towering as large as houses, designed to handle even the most complex and demanding machining tasks. These state-of-the-art machines are equipped with the latest cutting-edge technologies, enabling unparalleled precision, efficiency, and reliability. With their advanced capabilities, they ensure the production of the highest quality products, meeting the most rigorous industry standards and pushing the boundaries of modern manufacturing. Our next stop on our tour takes us to Degingen, Germany. This location is home to a wide range of advanced machines that are essential for the production of our high-quality products. Here, not only do we manufacture with precision and efficiency, but we also conduct rigorous testing and quality assurance processes to ensure that every product meets the highest industry standards. Through extensive trials and real-world simulations, we prove the reliability, durability, and performance of our products before they reach our headquarters for final evaluation and distribution. Our headquarters, located in Oberottmarshausen, Germany, not far from Munich, is the central hub where everything is designed, technically drawn, and efficiently managed. With an impressive 18,000 square meter warehouse, we ensure rapid delivery, often within just a few days, to our customers. Our modern working environment provides the perfect support for our employees, giving them the motivation and energy to excel. Additionally, our on-site restaurant, beach bar, and the unique Sigmund Castle create the perfect setting for engaging discussions with customers and collaborating on exciting new projects. But who are the people behind all of this? Let's take a deeper look at the dedicated and talented team that makes everything at Sigmund possible. But it's not just a strong company team behind Sigmund. We also have powerful partnerships that play a crucial role in our success. These include FC Bayern Basketball, the soccer club FC Augsburg, and a lot more, along with all the well-known personalities involved. Let's take a deep dive into our partnerships. Let's go. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sigmund. We hope you've gained valuable insights into our innovative products, facilities, and dedicated team. For more information, visit sigmund.com.